Hey, this is Chris with Cycle Source Magazine, Grease and Gears TV, and this is your product spotlight. Today's spotlight features Paul Yaffe's 12-inch monkey bars, but here's the thing, man, these are pre-wired. So why is that important? If you do this stuff in your garage, there's like 3% of us that don't absolutely hate wiring. When it comes to extending the wiring for handlebars, even if you're taking this to a shop, it's gonna add hours and hours to your bill at the end of the invoice. So nice, simple connectors are all here. It's pretty much plug and play. It's all the work is done for you. So check them out today at DennisKirk.com. Tell them the guys from Grease and Gears Garage sent you.
For more information on the products shown in this video, click on the link in the description box below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe.